Hi everyone. Today our topic is about equality testing and assignment. For simple, primitive data types such as integers, floating point numbers, or characters, equality testing and assignment are relatively straightforward operations, that is, bitwise comparison or copy. For more complicated or abstract data types, however, both the semantic and implementations are considered. Consider, for example, the problem of comparing two character strings. Should the expression S is equal to T determine whether S and T are aliases for one another, occupy storage that is bitwise identical over its full length, contain the same sequence of characters, would appear the same if printed. In many cases, the definition of equality boils down to the distinction between left values and R values. In the presence of references, should expressions be considered equal only if they refer to the same object or also if the objects to which they refer are in some sense equal? The first option, refer to the same object, is known as shallow comparison, and the second, refer to equal objects, is called deep comparison. For shallow comparison, it refer to the same objects, and for deep comparison, refer to equal objects. For complicated data structures, that is for list or graphs, a deep comparison may require recursive traversal. In imperative programming languages, assignment operations may also be deep or shallow. So, uh, here EQ is required to detect the equality of values of the same discrete type stored in different locations. In a particular implementation, numeric, character, and string test will always work the same way. If equivalent 22 returns true, then equivalent 37 will true also. These are the following is shown different expressions for equivalence, how equality testing is doing in different cases. Consider a reference model of variables. A shallow assignment, that is A equal to B, will make A refer to the object to which B refers. A deep assignment will create a copy of the object to which B refers and make A refer to the copy. Under a value model of variables, shallow assignment will copy the value of B into A. But if that value is a pointer or a record containing pointers, then the objects to which pointers refer will not be copied. Scheme, for example, has three general purpose equality testing functions. For example, equivalent EQ AB, do A and B refer to the same object? Equivalent AB are A and B known to be semantically equivalent? Equal AB, do A and B have the same recursive structure? EQAB, do A and B refer to the same object? EQ is pointer comparison. It returns true if its arguments literally refer to the same object in memory. Then EQVAB are A and B are known to be semantically equivalent. Equivalent V is comparison numbers returning true if its arguments are EQ or its arguments are numbers that have the same values. Then equal AB, do A and B have the same recursive structure? Return true if its arguments have the same structure. EQV predicate is less discriminating than EQ, the sense that EQV will never return false when EQ returns true. For structures, for list, EQV returns false if its arguments refer to different root consoles. Equal predicate recursively traverses two lists to see if their internal structure is same and their leaves are EQV. Equal predicate may lead to an infinite loop if the programmer has used the imperative features of scheme to create a circular list. This is all about equality testing and assignment. I will come with the next video. Till then, bye.